An essential question is an open-ended, thought-provoking, intellectually engaging question that encourages critical thinking, driving students toward important transferable ideas. These are not true-false questions or answers. Typically, they require deep thought and debate between students. Cornerstone has invested a significant amount of time developing this model and training its teachers. These questions are aligned to our core standards and ultimately prepare our students to be competitive in the future marketplace.
How do the words "I choose" affect my poem? So I'm going to give you some think time. I want you to think on it.
Visit the essential question: can films make history fresh?
Who can tell me what is our essential question about accuracy or sportsmanship? Kalia?
How does God view sportsmanship?
Yeah, how does God view sportsmanship? And Lucas, what's one other one?
What does sportsmanship look like?
Yeah, what does sportsmanship look like?
So what we're looking at today is that bigger question of, do the ends justify the means? And we're talking about it in a broad sense. This is a narrow case that we can use to consider that question.
And our essential question is, why do we write? Why do we write, boys and girls? What is important about writing? Why do we do
But I have one more question for us. Is anyone ever unforgivable? Already, we've got some strong opinions here.
In this chapter and in other chapters throughout our book is, what version do we want? But when you hear that question, because you hear it often in here, what version do you want? What does that bring up in your mind?
The questions that they ask really make you think about the subjects that you're trying to learn about.
Asking big questions helps me, and I'm sure a lot of other people, stay engaged in conversations and remember what we're being taught.
So it makes me think, and not just like, oh, I have the answer right before, like, she has thinking time for us.
We used does bigger always mean better, and it helped me to like see the bigger picture, and that math is used also in like daily life, and it's not just in a math class. You can use it when you leave school.
Essential questions will help you, because if you're reading a book in just your 4th grade or 5th grade class, how would you know? Are you just reading the book because you want to read the book, or are you just reading, or what is the lesson? That's the whole point about essential questions.